of me and Xavier. Today we'll be doing shooting. I got the Mega. Come here.
I got the.
He got the E-Light. Today we'll be shooting this target. 150, 25, 10. Let's get started. You go first.
Okay. See, guys, you lost mine.
Okay, Zay, come over here. Come over here. You guys might not be able to see this bullet because it's very huge and it goes out very quick.
That's scary.
Here, just take it out. It's fine.
Bro, go give me a different bullet.
No, it's fine. It's fine. There. It's fixed. Hurry, shoot it. No, you gotta pull this back to the bottom.
That's fantastic.
Oh. Ready, guys? He's about to shoot it. This target.
You want to get closer.
Right.
Okay, I'm not even going to use this.
Okay, my turn. This. Next. You know Christmas is tomorrow. You can't get that close, Bubba. That's cheating. Gotta get where I am. This is the only. Hold on, let me make a line. You can only go right there. There. Shoot it. After this, shoot. Make sure you subscribe, like the channel, everything after I shoot. Bye, guys.